Hi, this is Kim from Kim's Kitchen Affair, and today I'm going to show you how to do a charcuteritini. Charcuteritini is basically charcuterie in a martini cup. I'm going to show you how to do your own, and you'll see how simple it really is to do. It's nice that we can have our own without having to share, so everybody gets to have their own personal charcuterie. So let's get started.
So I have here 3 different types of cheese: manchego, blueberry goat cheese, and sharp cheddar cheese.
Marcona nuts and cashew, dried figs, dried apricot, dried cranberry, dried orange slices, fresh rosemary,
cornichons and olives, a few of these toasts,
2 different types of crackers and biscotti, strawberry, grapes, blackberry, blueberry, and a variety of salami. Okay, this is all I use. Oh, and also these picks. Prosciuttos are very flimsy, so I would place them in between the other 2 meat. Thanks for watching.